So guys, now we'll integrate our S3 bucket, next lambda, and next SNS. So first create a bucket. So let's name this bucket as S3 lambda integration. So S3 lambda integration is the bucket name, and I'll enable unblock public access and create bucket. So bucket name already exists, so what we'll do, 08/08/2025. So I created a bucket, guys. So after bucket is creating, so everyone close your laptops and just focus on what I am telling. So after bucket is creating, next we'll even create a SNS topic also. So create topic. So standard, so my topic is S3 lambda alerts. So S3 lambda alerts. Next, in here, in access policy. So in access policy, there are publishers and subscribers also. So publishers, by default it will be only the topic owner, but scroll down and drop down and select everyone. Okay, so only the topic owner means the publishing and subscription between only the owner. So other people's and all I cannot add. So to narrow it down, you can specify other AWS accounts also. But to have universal access, select everyone, and even subscribers also select everyone. And next, scroll down, and even in delivery status login also, scroll down, and you can see some service roles here. So as I already have some roles here, so I'm not going to use them. So click on create new service role and click on create new role. So a new tab in IAM will open and it will automatically generate the roles which it is required. So you need not to create any roles for this. Just click on create roles. A role will get created by default and even the tab also will get closed. See, tab also got closed and the roles got attached to my SNS topic also. Okay, so you need not to do any manual process, everything got automated. And scroll down and click on create topic. So topic is created and I configured some access policies and logging statuses also. Now come here and create subscription. So in the create subscription, you just use email. So email, I'll provide my email. Create subscription. So subscription is also created, so it will be in pending state. So I need to enable this subscription. So subscription confirmation mail, confirm subscription. So subscription is confirmed. After subscription confirmation, Let me go back to my SNS. Seems everything is good here. So seems everything is good, so even it is confirmed also. Now we need to proceed to new service which is called lambda. So proceed to new service called lambda. So in lambda you create some functions to automate your process. So click on create a function. So you will be having three options. One is from the scratch you wanted to create or use a blueprint. That means you already have a code in your Visual Studio Code or local. So you can use that blueprint, or you can even deploy a container which is Docker related image also. So as we don't have Docker, we'll ignore this. And as you guys don't have any blueprint also, you can ignore this option. So the only option which is left is from the scratch you need to create. So function name S3 lambda. So S3 lambda you can use. And next, runtime, select Python. So because I have some Python code with me. So architecture is 86 into 64-bit. Next, here change default execution role, scroll down and create a new role for AWS policy templates, or you can create a new role with basic lambda permissions. So create a new role and click on create function. So create a role and click on new create function. So a role will be created in IAM and that role will be attached directly to your function. So clear, guys? Now after function is created, you need to go to configuration. In the configuration, there is something called as permissions. So go to permissions, select the role which AWS by default created for this function. So only one permission will be there, which is lambda basic execution role. So addition to this role, to reduce the error or to narrow down the errors, so what we'll do, we'll attach new permission which is administrator access. So for this lambda permission, I am giving administrator access just in case if the role's permissions are not sufficient. So as it is having administrator access, so it will take care of all the permissions. So click on add permissions. So it is having admin access for this role. So once a role is attached or policy is done, then go back to lambda, go to code, there is a code here, so you can just delete the existing code. So this is the code, you can delete the existing code and let me go to my ChatGPT. Yesterday I was searching for some code. I'll give you that code. Yeah, this is the code which I have. So if you want the code now, so I'll just a new document. So I will share this code with you also, you can try. So I just copied the code and go to function and paste the code. So here there are certain things which you have to change. So what are the things which you have to change here? See, here I have given use your actual ARN. So this is not the ARN. So where do you capture this ARN, guys? So go to SNS. So in the SNS you will be having some ARN. So copy this ARN and submit it in this region. And even if you scroll down, even in the topic ARN also, this is not your ARN. So delete this ARN. So it should be in double quotes. Add your ARN and configure this message. So configure this message. There should be a space between these. So I think the code is okay. Okay, I feel like the code is okay. So let's see if any debugging issues comes. So once the code is configured and you have successfully written the code, deploy the code. So click on deploy. So successfully updated the code. So after doing this, let's go to configurations. And if there are any things to change here, so I think we can good to go. So click on monitor. So we can see the CloudWatch alerts also. So as nothing is happened, so there is no logs here. So first we'll upload the file. S3 buckets. So this is my bucket. So in the bucket, go to properties and go scroll down to event notifications. So create event notification. So event name is S3 lambda alerts. S3 lambda alerts. So next we'll select put role. So where if we upload it, it will trigger a notification and send it to your endpoint. And scroll down. Yeah. In destination, select lambda function and choose the lambda function which you created. So S3 lambda. So but the function name, okay, so function name is S3 lambda. So if you can't find the function name, no, even you can copy the ARN. So either you can copy the ARN and you can provide it here. See, you can see enter lambda function ARN. Either you can do this process, or if the function is reflecting here, you can select the function and click on save changes. So event notification is also added. So now we'll add the destination and the trigger. So go back to S3. So not S3, functions you go. So add a trigger. So select S3 here. So select the bucket. Acknowledge and click on add the trigger. So I think this is already, yeah, so trigger is already added. Now we need to add the destination. So add destination. So on success SNS topic, so SNS ARN and click on save. So now if you see the architecture here, so lambda is collecting the data from S3 and it is pushing to SNS. So now everything is configured. So now let's test the notifications. So let's go back to S3. Go to objects, click on upload, add files. So let me add this S3 code itself. Click on upload and click on upload. So file is successfully uploaded. So now we'll see whether I got the notification. So before getting the notification, let me go to my functions, click on monitor, and let's view the logs here. So log report has been created. So log report has been also created. So let's check the log report. Okay, so executed without any error. So now let's finally go to our endpoint, which is our mail, and check. Okay. Okay, let me resubscribe. Okay, let me upload the same file again and let's check. Or else we'll change the mail address here. Or else we'll change create subscription. So let's delete this subscription. So create subscription, email. Let me give this mail address. So let me give this mail address, create subscription. Okay, see, new object is uploaded to S3 bucket. So like this, every time you upload any object, so like this information you will get. So once you get this information, you will manually go to S3 objects and you will check whether file is uploaded or not. So guys, I will share this code also with you. You can just practice with this code.